If a pool of laptops are to be placed before you and say they are all mixed up, XUKs, new laptops, refurbished, would you be able to identify the refurbished ones? Some of you would, but a number of you wouldn't. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify if a laptop is truly factory refurbished, starting from normal laptops, ChromeBooks, and finally Apple MacBooks. We'll first start with the normal laptops, that is the normal brands like HP, Lenovo, Dell, Asus, Acer, and even others. In that laptop, we are interested in getting the product number or the model number. And don't confuse that product number with a serial number. A serial number is a series of individual digits. As for the product number, it is a series of letters and numbers. And you can only get it in two places. It's either in the machine, which is mostly it's in the BIOS, or you can get it in the box of that laptop or that refurbished laptop. That is if the box is not open. Okay, now you know where to get that product number. Typically you need to open the laptop and go to the system information, just as how this video will explain. And by the way, the video is from HP. I saw it as a short, but it will greatly assist you in helping you open the system settings.
If you're using Windows, a key press combination will show the system information. For laptops, press Function and Escape at the same time. The system information window shows details about your PC.
From that video, you have seen the product number and it looks something like this. Now compare it to this product number that is down below. What is the difference? Exactly, the R at the end. And that means if that laptop is refurbished, it could have an R at the end, but now it doesn't. That's a new one. The R initial means that it is refurbished, R refurbished. Or it could have other characters like RB or RF or REF. So it can have those three variations according to the manufacturer of that laptop. Okay. Now, and that's how to identify a refurbished laptop, a factory refurbished laptop for normal laptops. Now, let's go to the ChromeBooks.
For ChromeBooks, turn the computer on, and at the login screen, press Alt and letter V together. You'll see the Chrome version and serial number in the top right corner. This information is also on the product label.
As for the ChromeBooks, as you have seen, it's a bit different, but it should follow the same process as the other laptops. The normal laptops. You'll find the product number. We are not interested in any way with the serial number. We are interested in the part just before the hash key, which is the geolocator. Let's take for example the ChromeBook product number that you have seen. It looks like this. However, if this ChromeBook could have been refurbished, it could have looked like this. The difference is the R at the end, just before the hash key. Okay? The R means that it is refurbished. Now, where do you find that product number? You should find it in the box which the laptop came with. It should be labeled somewhere. However, if you cannot find the product number, you can get the serial number, go to your manufacturer's website, look it up. It should bring you the details of that laptop, including the product number. Now, let's move on to the MacBooks. How do you check the refurbished status? For Apple, it's a bit different because you'll not find right away the product actually, or it's called the model number. It's different from the other laptops. It's called the model number or the part number. And you can only find that number in the box where that laptop came with, or at the bottom of your laptop. It's not part of your system information. That is if you open the settings and get into the system information of MacBooks. For example, I'll show you a simple video.
Click on the Apple icon in the top left and then click on About this Mac. Once you do so, this window is going to open. Right at the top, you're going to see your MacBook screen size, year and model identifier. Mine is 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. Click on More Info to see details like processor, memory and serial number. Now you know exactly which MacBook you are using.
From that video alone, you have seen that there is no model number. You can only see the serial number from that snapshot, right? So we'll be using that serial number to get the model number. Okay, straight away. That is if you can't get that model number anywhere. Maybe you don't have a box, maybe it's not written at the bottom of your laptop. You can look it up in some third-party websites, because Apple themselves, the website itself does not have anywhere you can look up your product number or even model number using the serial number. So I find it very weird, because Apple, I am pretty sure they do have the database, they do have the information about such devices. How they end up not giving that information to the public or disclosing it to the public is the thing. Is if you cannot find that model number, you'll have to use the serial number. Get into the websites that are linked in there, or you can check the same video that we posted on our YouTube channel, and in the description you will find the websites where you can look it up. You just go to those websites, you input the serial number, and then it will bring you the model number. A comprehensive video will be posted on our YouTube channel called MacBook, because that video will be a bit detailed, and this is where you post the detailed video. You still find the same video on Pre-Buy PC, our YouTube channel. So you can check in either of the two channels. After inputting the serial number and you have gotten the information about the model number, you're supposed to check the first letter. Okay? Typically, a new laptop should start with the letter M. As for the refurbished, it should start with the letter F. Okay, that means it is refurbished. If it is a replacement, you will see it starts with an N. Okay, I'll list the details on your screen, you will see them. And it is that simple. It starts with an F, it is a refurbished, a factory refurbished laptop. We want a factory refurbished laptop. And the only way to get such laptops is going to original vendors, certified vendors by Apple themselves. And that's it. That's how to figure out if a laptop is refurbished or not. The comprehensive video about the MacBooks will be posted on our YouTube channel called MacBook and Pre-Buy PC, either of the two. Make sure that you check that out. It will be a bit detailed than how I have described it.